So in this video, what we're going to be doing is a big back session, and I'm going to show you how to do it. Right everyone, what's going on? So in this video, what I'm going to show you is how to do a lat pull down. I might show you, or my coach is going to tell you how to do it properly. He's going to explain the sets to you, he's going to explain how many reps you need to do, and what weight you should use, and how to do it most of all. So stay tuned, make sure you understand and learn what I'm about to show you. Right, so as you can see, he's doing it with good form. He's stretching it right at the top, he's stretching his lats, his lat muscles right at the top, and he's pulling them down just about there. You don't want to bring it too high, you don't want to bring it too low. It is a bit of a variation, but that's something that you need to experiment with and see what's right for you. And also, you need to make sure you have a solid base. The leg supports, make sure they're tight, make sure your feet are planted on the floor as well. The cable roll, the seated cable roll, what you need to make sure is you don't do too many reps, you don't do too many sets either. So I'd say about 3 to 4 sets, about 10 to 12 reps is perfect. If you want to go lower, you'd only go lower if you want to do heavier weights. So say you're doing really heavy weight, you'd only do about 6 to 8 reps. 10 to 12 reps is perfect, 3 to 4 sets is perfect as well. And you want that amount of weight where when you're pulling it, it's not straining your back, it's not hurting your legs because you're pulling so much weight, it's not hurting your neck either. So you need to make sure you're healthy and you're fit doing it, and you've got the right mindset doing it as well. So let's head over to the exercise. Making sure your lats are stretching like they should be. When you're doing this kind of workout, you need to make sure you get the right amount of stretch at the beginning of your exercise. You're squeezing it right at the back. His chest is higher, back is straight. That's what you need to be focused on. Make sure everything is right. Right everyone, I hope that helped, I hope I explained well. If I didn't, comment down below and telling me what I need to improve on, maybe what you want to see next, what exercise do you want to see next? Yeah, how about that? What exercise do you want to see next? Comment down below. Give it a like, give it a share as well, share it with your friends, family. I'm doing it for you guys. Like I said, I may not be in the best shape, I may not be the biggest bodybuilder in the world, but I'm sharing my knowledge with you guys. A lot of you people ask me what to do, what to eat and stuff like that. I'm trying to help you guys. So I really appreciate the support and love that you guys show. Keep watching my videos. Make sure you share, subscribe and like, turn on post notifications as well. And thank you very much for watching. I'll see you on the next video.